Video. All right, so in order to do this assessment, you need to go to the blended learning folder, which if you don't know how to get there, just contact me directly. Okay, so if you would go ahead and click on the Into Math, which was right there in her screen, and then go ahead and sign in. All right, and up here in this top middle, there's a button that says Assignments that you're going to click on. And now she already started it, so she's going to click Continue, but yours would say Start. Okay, Continue. Now hers didn't give her the set of directions. I don't think it's going to again because she already looked at them. But the set of directions basically says that you can skip up to 3 questions. So if you're totally lost on a question, I would advise you skipping it. Okay. Looks like they've got a little growth thing down here, like a progress bar, just like I already used to have. So I have no idea how long this test is. They haven't given us any directions on it. Okay. So they will give you calculators on certain questions. Please, and I'm just gonna advise you, please do not use a calculator unless they give it to you, okay? I'm not gonna be using this as a test grade, but that also doesn't mean that you need Christmas tree, trust me. I'm not gonna go into that too much, but basically, and here's how you should take an assessment like this, okay? If they give, now, that you're probably going to get some stuff that you just have no idea on. Okay, so if you look at a question, you understand it, you answer it. If you think you know what you're doing, you answer it. If you have no idea, or if you just feel very lost when you read that question, you know, for now, because this is a baseline and it's probably going to show you some stuff that you haven't seen before, it's fine to just either skip it if you have one of your skips, or just guess and move on. Now I would give you a different set of directions on that if this were a test, we're on something that we've done before. We're not trying to kill ourselves on this. We're just trying to get some kind of idea of where you're at. Again, I don't know much about this test, so it might be pretty good, helpful for me to see how you're doing. I don't really know, okay? So for now, I'm just gonna say, go ahead and do that assessment, and please do not log out of Teams. I may summon y'all back. Actually, let's all plan to meet, and I'll post this. Whether we're in the test or not, we all need to be back in the chat at 9:30, because I don't know how long this is going to take. So at 9:30, and actually I don't want anyone to leave the chat. Everyone stay in the chat while you're doing this, okay? So again, take the assessment, you know, do the best you can with it, but don't stress it. If you understand it, if you get the question, great. If you don't get the question, guess and move on. It's fine. Okay, that's all you can do. Okay, remember you got 3 skips, and if you got any questions, feel free to ask them, but I'm not gonna give like specific help on the question.